the creek at the far end. So I thought we'd start here. This is the driveway right here. Goes across it in the ATV. Now it don't look like it, but it's there. Goes all the way up this way. It's shallow enough you can wade it all the way up in here. And we'll look at that spot down there in another location. And this is how it looks all the way up. See how nice and cool and shaded it is here? See, you can see the bottom. It might be ankle deep there. Just right for digging in and sluicing and panning. Just sit in the shade all day when it's hot. We just work. And down the creek here we go. See our little banks. See, it's real small. Like I said, you can walk across it, ride across it, wade through it. Have all kinds of fun. Including rockhound. Look at all the rocks. I look through them every once in a while, and I do find some cute, pretty little stuff sometimes. So let's go right down there and see what it looks like from that spot. Here's all those rocks I just mentioned. And look at them. It's a whole bank full of them. All the way up and then some past me. Look at that. Rock hounding paradise. Go way up there. Look at it. Ooh. And right up there's the bridge. Let's go see what it looks like off the bridge. Let's walk up here. Goes off right there at the end. Goes up and around another trail right up there. There's the creek. I know the sun's probably in it. Too many trees, can't see too good up that way. Here it is. Look all the way down there. There's the gravel bar that we were just at. This part here might be a little deeper. It might be up your waist high right here. This is the next little spot where you can get down to the creek. You can even drive an ATV down in here if you need to unload your sluice or your high banker. All that good stuff that you want to work with. And another rock bar. Look at this. More rocks. See, just down past those trees is where the bridge is. See, there's lots of areas you can rock hound and sluice and stuff. Yep, that way the creek keeps on going. We'll go to the next spot up there and check it out from there. Access area. Oh look, more rocks. And a dam building up. Where's a beaver at when you need one? There's our bedrock waterfall. Not much, but it makes a pretty noise. Don't you wish you could just sit right there and play all day? Mm-mm. Okay, next spot on up that way. Down in this spot, but I'm really high up, so hopefully I can show it off good enough. More rocks. Gotta get down there and check that out. I haven't been there in spot yet. Lots of pretty places to work. And there's a stump out of the bank right down here. I know you probably can't see it from here. But it's a good place to dig around and look for some nuggets. Okay, let's check the next spot out. This is where it picks up from that rock bed right there. Comes on around. It takes a real sharp bend right up here. It's hard to get a good view of this spot. Let's try another. I gotta go around the bushes to do this. And this big old slab was put in here to keep the floods from washing the banquet away anymore. So it was doing a pretty bad job on it. There's some been put in right there where it was coming around this corner like a freight train, washing it all out. So we got one turn here and one we just came from, and then right down there is another one. Let's go see what it looks like on that side. That up there on the bank. And this is what it looks like at this spot. I'm coming on around. This little area here had been dug out to help relieve the flooding when it does, so it doesn't wash out the road and take away the bank anymore. It's like an overflow area. Now look at this. See, that's a curve right there. That's when we don't see any more of it. Okay. Just going around the corner. Not much to see here because the bushes are growing up too much. But that's what's helping to hold the bank though. See how high it is over there? All that got washed away and fell down in here from flooding. We don't need another flood. Let's take care of what we got now. On to the last spot. Because right there's the road. I know you can't see it through the bushes. But there's the creek where it's coming out from underneath the bridge. You can walk up to it. You just have to get down into the creek and go up there. Sounds like a waterfall down there, which kind of is. It's coming over top of some bedrocks and boulders and things like that right there. So we'll see you on the next video. That's it for this time.